Arbaz says, on the day of judgment, will Allah question us about the sins that we already repented from in this dunya? Arbaz, to my knowledge, every person would see his sins that he committed. And this is called al-ard, the display. So each individual will have it displayed in front of him, all of his shortcomings. Some will be shown their bad deeds, but it would be concealed from all other creation. As in the hadith, when the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that Allah Azza wa Jal puts the veil between this servant and everyone else, and he shows him his bad deeds. You did this on that day, you did this and you did that. And once the servant is certain that he will be tormented and punished for his deeds, Allah tells him and gives him the glad tiding, I have concealed your sins on dunya, in this life, and I shall forgive them in the hereafter. So this is called display, ard. But whomever Allah Azza wa Jal question him about such deeds, he's doomed. The Prophet said, "Man nuqisha al-hisaba udhib." Whoever is held accountable and is not negotiated but asked about each and every deed, he will be tormented. Therefore, there are two types. The display, which everybody will have to watch and see, but then Allah would forgive and they will move on. And there is those who are held accountable for every single small or big thing that they had done. And this is why Ibn al-Jawzi, may Allah have mercy on his soul, in his beautiful book, Sayyidul Khatir, he says, while advising others, advising himself and others, he said, let's assume that you are forgiven on the day of judgment. Where is bashfulness? Where is the shyness of Allah Azza wa Jal? Yes, you come with a load of sins, and Allah Azza wa Jal displays them to you, and you know that Allah's mercy would let you go. But where is feeling shy from Allah Azza wa Jal? This is what we lack. When someone comes to me and says, Shaykh, is doing this sin a major or a minor sin? I say, subhanallah, don't look at the size of the sin. Look at whom against you are sinning. Forget about the size of the sin. Assume that Allah would forgive your sin. But what will you do with this burning in your heart on the day of judgment when you stand in front of Allah and He tells you, you did this and you did that? May Allah conceal our sins.